special device into our office, and we'd like to introduce it to you and unpack it with you. It is X-Cover Field Pro from Samsung, the newest device for mission critical communication, and it is quite robust, and it is very promising. All the information which we received so far from Samsung that it is basically the perfect device for what we searched and what we needed since many years. So let's unpack it. Good. So what do we have? We have the device. Okay, that's nice. With a PTT button, an emergency.
And a second battery here.
Oh, yes, a second battery. And so basically, what is a battery life?
4,500 milliampere.
Okay,
Hour.
that's good. That's good. And the weight is also good. What is the weight, Amit?
256 gram.
Okay, it's not too heavy. It's easy to carry. And you have also here, what else do you have?
A docking station we
Docking
have
station.
here as
Nice. A docking station. And I can see you can also charge the second battery on the back side. So that's quite cool,
well.
right?
Let's just try. Yeah, that's right here.
Okay, nice.
Okay, suits well.
Let me just try this one. Yeah, that's
Very easy.
That's good. I like it. Yeah, that's quite nice. And with with USB-C.
That's right.
Yeah.
So we actually should have a USB cable.
So let's see what
So,
else
but-
we have, right? What
but-
is it?
But I guess before we continue, so this device is, as you can see, well protected. So we talk about a IP68 certificated device here, and it also has a military standard.
It is a US, it is a US military MIL standard, right? They call it.
That's right.
Great. And and also here finger touch, right?
Yeah, fingerprint.
That's nice. So it is giving additional protection, I would say, right?
That's right.
Good, good. Let us open it. You can also close it here, right? I mean, okay, now it's open. And here is the battery, the second battery, and dual SIM. Right? SIM 2, SIM 1 should be here, right?
And micro SD.
Yes, that's perfect. So basically you can put 2 SIM cards inside for additional, let's say, redundancy or covering 2 different kind of operators, right?
That's right.
Cool. Perfect. So what else do we have? This is a device, the train station. And here, also something quite nice, right? It is, then you can put it inside. It's a belt clip.
That's right.
And
So it's well protected, and you can also adjust the clip.
yeah, and it's perfect for it's also perfect for the lone worker protection, that we can use it for men down or something like that, right? So it is fixed positioned at your belt, and if you're going down or whatever is happening, then we can use the sensors to create an emergency.
And also the buttons so are available. Yeah, as you can see here, it's open here on side. Also, the loudspeakers are not getting impacted through this belt clip and coverage.
Cool. What else do we have? So, black box. What is inside of the black box? Let's open it. Oh, okay. A headset. I would say something basic, which is in all the devices, which they are selling everywhere, right, around the globe. Headset is something mandatory. And let us open it first. Come on. Ah. Oh, okay.
Okay, this looks special.
That one looks different. Okay, so we have here our headset connected with a 3.5 jack into the device. So it would go inside. Come on, yes, like this, right? But I see we have here also an additional PDT button which we can use on that headset, right?
That's right, and here is a mic.
Ah, okay, that's nice. So you can carry it basically like that, right? Okay, the device would be at your belt, so you can carry it like that, and you press the PDT button, and you have here your headset.
Yeah, and it's not a regular headset. I mean, it's especially, I guess, for covered operations here, so we can use. So
yeah, it's made for for FirstNet, for police, for security. Yeah, it's coming included, right? So it is in the box. What else? Okay, nothing else anymore. Something basic again. Some charging and anything special about the charger?
yes,
Okay. What's there?
I don't know. Here's a protection, but so we can open this up here. Good.
No, it is. I believe they mentioned that it is fast charging, so you need maybe approximately half an hour or something like that to charge the device. And okay, so far it looks quite nice, right? It is. I would say it is very complete for what we are communicating here for mission critical communication. And additionally, let us switch it on and see what is inside and how the screen is. So it's coming typically quite fast, I believe, because it's a Samsung.
And as mentioned, it's a QHD display, 5.1 inch. So with the Samsung AMOLED display, it's very popular.
Nice. Okay.
So we have a 4 gig RAM with 64 gigabyte internal space.
Okay. So it's a quite powerful device also, right?
That's right.
Okay. And we have also our application inside. Just to... Okay. Later. And here you can see that, yes, the PDT button is working. And also the emergency button, right?
So we can, with a special case, I guess we also have here when we lock the screen.
Okay.
Wait a second, I can. So let's show you this way here. So in that case, so we are locking the screen. So and still can use a push to talk button, but also the emergency button.
Yes, that means both buttons are active, and you have your PDT activity and your emergency, and you can put it at your belt. You can use it without the clip, and you have your charging station and an additional battery, which gives you basically a much longer lifetime of the device, because we tested it a little bit and we are coming to around, I think, more than one day if you are using your application with Tasta. And if you have a second battery, sure, then you have even maybe 2 or 3 days usage, and you doesn't need any additional power bank or something like that. And okay, the headset is quite nice. It's perfect again with the PDT button. So everything is focused and targeting the user group. And another thing what we cannot right now show you is that this device has it is ready for a D2D. That means device to device. means that even if the network is down, it is giving you a direct mode to communicate between the devices, which is also fulfilling the 3GPP standard and is, I would say right now, is the only device globally which we know is offering that kind of technology inside. Yeah, I hope we could give you a good introduction about the device. So we would be, you can contact us anytime if you need further information, technical information, or if you want to have a touch and feel also, right? We are also promoting and selling the devices in Germany, and yeah, so enjoy your device, and it's coming also very soon. We are in discussion for multi-chargers also for that device. So it is, from our point, after 13-year experience in professional mobile radio, I would say it's a quite nice and complete package finally from a very, very strong and good provider and vendor like Samsung. So enjoy.